guys, Forest Bear from Animal Jam. Today I have logged on to an account that I do not use much, and I was going to experiment with something. The rare generator. I'm going to experiment. If it doesn't work and they steal my information, at least it will be on an account that I don't use much. So I'm gonna stop it to enter my username and stuff, but I'll be back once I do that. Alright, so I entered my stuff and it said your rares will be on your account soon. I'm not quite sure I'm not quite sure when soon is, but I will keep logging onto this account daily to see if it will work, and I will keep you caught up with what happens. So, whoa! What? Huh? How long have I had these? Why don't I have that up? More importantly. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, how long have I had these? I'm so confused. I'll have to transfer those. That's awesome. See, that's what you get when you log on to old accounts. But, anyway, with that, I will keep you caught up. For now, I was just gonna play a few games for you. Like Swoopy Eagle, so you can watch me fail. It's much easier on the iPod/iPad. Yeah, much easier. And the thing with this is you have to get all the way through it. With Flappy Bird, if you get like halfway through it, it counts it. Well, I got my high score. If I can get more than 6, I will be content. Yay, I got more than 6. I am content now. I can stop now. Let's play Sky High. That was a disgusting noise, by the way. Anyways, let's play Sky High. I should probably log on to that account more often. I didn't know I had that many imprisoned phantoms. Good thing I checked, right? I know there aren't any rare clothing items because I checked before I started recording. Should have had the sound on it. It's quite boring without sound. Maybe I should just restart with sound. That'd probably be more entertaining. Because the sound is, you gotta be honest, the sound is pretty awesome. If you haven't heard it, you need to hear it. It's also more entertaining than me just talking. Because me just talking isn't very exciting. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna restart with sound. Because, oh wait, no, no. Okay, sound. Well, you probably can't hear that. Here, I'll turn it up. I don't know if you can hear that, but whoa. See, isn't the music so much better than my voice? It's probably louder. Maybe I should turn that down. Just a little. There we go. See, that was like a boss move. I don't think anyone can recover as well as I did right there. No, probably tons of people can. Oh. I have something to show you when I'm done. Next time I die, I'm gonna show you. Oh, thank goodness. That would have been a horrible death. Falling from clouds. How horrible would that be to die that way? Just keep falling until you hit the ground. That would... at least it'd be quick and easy. You wouldn't feel any pain unless you survived. Then it would hurt really bad. I'd probably just tell them to like break my neck at the hospital or something if it was like that. If I fell like that and I survived. I don't even know what I'm talking about. This shows you how bored I am. I rant on about how I would ask the doctors in a hospital to kill me. My Arctic wolf isn't very creative when it dances. Jumps. It jumps the same way every time, and it's always like, air. And then it's like cloud, and then it's like air, and then it's like cloud. I have no idea what I'm talking about. No idea whatsoever. I really want a Rolo right now because they're sitting on my desk, but I won't do that while I'm recording because that would be just gross. You listening to me eating? Ew. Once I was playing this and I got to like the very top and it was like the last cloud and I fell. That was like, I almost punched a wall. I punched the floor, but it didn't break. Luckily it was carpeted, so it didn't hurt too bad. But it was just one of the most frustrating moments of my life. I hope you can hear the music. It'd be kind of upsetting if you couldn't. Because then you'd just hear me talking about the music that you can't hear. Oh look! A hot air balloon! What I don't understand is why is it so bright down there, but then all of a sudden it goes to night? Are we like going on the other side of the planet or something? I've spent like 5 minutes on just this game, if not more. At least it tells you how far up you are, how close you are to being done. So you're just not like, when is this gonna end? But you're like, oh, I know when it's gonna end. No, okay. I like the moon. It's pretty. Oh, yay! Please be something good. Ugh. That's not fabulous, but it'll do, I guess. Alright, that's it for now. Hope to see you in Animal Jam. Bye! Alright, hey guys, thank goodness I decided to rewatch my video because I almost forgot what I was going to show you. So, I was doing fan art earlier today because I was really bored. And so, this is my fan art for Barkley1234. I sent that to her for her contest. And then I did Pikachu Zombie. The base I actually did by hand, and then I transferred it to my computer. But, like, the spike and the worn and everything else, all the accessories and stuff, I did on paint. And I also drew my own wolf, which is currently my profile picture on YouTube. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that stuff. Almost forgot. Alright, hope to see you in Animal Jam. Bye!